Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want every Gumroad sale automatically logged in a spreadsheet. If you are tracking revenue manually, it can quickly become messy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets for sales tracking, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to access our Gumroad account. How to do so is pretty easy. Just open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet so you can go through gumroad.com. So we tap on the link, then it will take us immediately to this new page where you should log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. As for now, we access our dashboard. We can see products, collabs, all of this. We're gonna go all the way to access Zapier to make this automation happen. As for now, we're gonna go select Gumroad from here. Gumroad. Then, as you see here, we selected Gumroad. For the other app, we're gonna go and check Google Sheets. Okay, Google Sheets, here we go. Also, make sure you connect your Gumroad account using your API key by going through settings, advanced, and copy it from there. As for now, the trigger is a new sale. Choose an action, create spreadsheet row or create spreadsheet column. It depends on you. Copy worksheet, create spreadsheet, create worksheet. Okay, let's go with this one. Then choose your spreadsheet and worksheet map fields like buyer name, email, product purchase, price, purchase date, whatever you want. You can also integrate for free or start with Google for free if you want to. Then hit publish when it's fully done. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.